Good morning, everybody. My name is Miss Starling, and I am the Career Development Coordinator. So, my job is to work with you guys in middle school and in high school in order to help you be best prepared for your career beyond high school. So, it's really going to start in middle school, and we are going to do our best to explore careers now so we're more prepared in the future. There are so many things available to you as far as career and technical education classes that you can take now in middle school and in the future in high school. And through those courses, you guys will be able to have access to internships where you get on the job experience and things like that in high school, field trips, all kinds of fun stuff once you get to high school. And career and technical education is a great way for you to test out your skills and to test out and see if you like or don't like different tasks and different subjects. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to start today by checking out a new platform. This platform is called Major Clarity. So once you guys get those computers all booted up, if you will, go ahead and go to the Lincoln County Schools homepage. From the Lincoln County Schools homepage, you guys will be able to just scroll down a little bit and find Class Link. Once you get into Class Link, all you guys will have to do is enter in your Power School ID number and password, or it might come right up for you. And on ClassLink, you guys will be able to see all kinds of icons. Your Google Classroom, which you should be using all the time, especially when you're not in school, and your school email, all kinds of great stuff is right here on ClassLink. So is our Major Clarity icon. So it is a dark blue icon. If you'll just take a second to find that, it says Major Clarity on it. Again, dark blue. If you guys will just take a second and click there on that Major Clarity icon, it will take you straight to the sign-in page. So the beautiful thing about Major Clarity is not only is it located in your class link, it is also something you don't need an additional username, password, any of that for. You guys can log in right through Google. These accounts have already been set up for you through your school email. So when you hit here, it'll say continue with Google, and it'll ask you to click on your school email account. So if you guys will click on that school email account, after you click this red continue with Google, you'll into Major Clarity we go. All right, so the first thing you guys should see is the Welcome to Major Clarity icon. So it should say Welcome to Major Clarity and your name. So do not skip this first step. The first step is to take a test, but this test is actually a personality assessment. So it's a fun test. It's not at all for a grade, and it is going to help you and this platform realize what careers fit your personality. So we're going to go ahead and hit take the test. So this personality assessment is going to be something really fun that we just take a few minutes here and identify what kind of careers we might like or dislike. So check out the following activities and hit the green heart button if you like doing that activity, if you could see yourself doing that in a career, or hit the red X button if you think it's not for you. You can hit the maybe button. The maybe button is really something we want to avoid because it's not going to give us the best fit if we hit the maybe button too many times. If you have a question about what an activity might be, just raise your hand and ask. They should all be pretty self-explanatory. Would you want to sell a restaurant location to individuals? Would you want to help people figure out where a restaurant should go and sell them those locations? I think that being in the real estate business and doing that every day sounds really fun to me, so I would hit the heart button. Test the quality of parts before shipment. Would you want to look at each thing and decide if they're quality parts before they go out into shipping? Maybe not. Maybe yes. Up to you. So you guys are going to take some time here and go through all of these. Okay, so once you're finished here, You guys will see if you're social, conventional, enterprising, artistic, investigative, realistic. And on your worksheet, you guys have space here to write all of these down. You can retake this assessment at any time. You guys will go to the My Portfolio and you guys can retake it if you feel like it doesn't fit you very well. But for right now, we're going to use these numbers. So we're going to hit continue after you write them all down. And the next thing that it will ask you is if you want to add an additional email address. Remember, you already have your school email in there, and that's how it will communicate with you. So please go ahead and skip this step for now. And now you guys can take some time to explore careers. From here, if you guys have time, you can explore some careers. So you can take a look and see what fits your personality assessment best. It gives you a percentage score here. You can learn more about those jobs. You can watch an interview with a pro, and you can try out an activity, especially if you're not sure why you got fit with that career. It's best to try out an activity and see if you actually do like doing what that career would have you do. So if you guys don't have time today and you want to favorite some things, what you can do is you can click this yellow star here. The star is white, but it'll turn yellow when you favorite it. So once you click on some of these, they will become your favorites, and you can find them in the My Portfolio section of the platform. This will also take you to that learning styles assessment as well. That would be in your My Progress section. But you can also see where your favorites are, and you guys can get back to them at any time just by going to the My Portfolio. That will be the first thing that comes up the next time that you guys log into the platform now that you've completed your personality assessment. So remember, you guys can log into this platform at any time just by going to your class link and logging in through your Google accounts, which are linked to your school email. So it should be really easy for you guys to get in from home, or if you have downtime in the classroom or anything like that, you guys can log on and do this at any time. Thank you for participating today and taking some time to learn more about careers that fit your personality and interests. Thank you guys so much. Bye.